Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the inbuilt bibliography tools in a Word document. So you need to click on References, and that brings up all these tools to use when you're creating a bibliography and doing research and so on, creating a table of contents, inserting figures, the sort of things that you have to do when you're doing a final report, a PIP, something like that. Okay, now at our school, APA is the format that we have chosen to use. So the default setting is APA, so there you are. This is the area that we're interested in. So every time you want to keep a record of the source that you used, you click on Manage Sources, and that brings up a dialog for you to create a new source or use ones that you already have. Okay, so we're going to choose New. Okay, so for each article or book that you use or website, so you've got the choice of book, journal article, report, website, sound recording, performance, interview. So whatever it is, it'll bring you an appropriate form that you can just fill in. So if it was an interview, it tells you the things that you need to record. Okay, so we're going to do a straight out book. And I have a book on my table, so I'm going to use that. The author's name is Victoria Finley. Okay, the name of the book is Colour, and it has a subtitle, Travels Through the Paint Box. Okay. Now, I look on the back of the title page to find out the year that it was published, and my edition was published in 2002. No, 2009. Okay, was published in London, and the publisher was the Folio Society. I click on OK, and there we are. We have that's added to the list of resources that I already used on previous documents, and it gives you a preview that shows you what the citation would look like if you were citing a quote in your essay, and then gives you the bibliographic entry, what you would use for your bibliography. Okay, and you can continue to do that as you go along. Okay, so we'll close that one. So I'll just start writing something so it knows that there's something in there, and I can then, to create a bibliography, I can go Insert Citation and say that's the one I wanted to choose, and it would bring up a citation like that. Okay, And then when I'm finished, okay, I can go to Bibliography and I can choose the format that I want. I might want references. Okay, and it will bring up my bibliography. And if I go back to my managed sources, and I'll just, for the sake of it, I'll just add in a few extra resources over there so that I'm using those as well. Okay, close. All right, so now I'll try doing that again. Go to references, go to bibliography, choose works cited this time, and it's chosen those 3 items that I'd put in my list, and it's put them in alphabetical order for me. Okay, so you have to do a slightly bit more work doing it this way. It doesn't bring up the information automatically, but it does easily give you it in alphabetical order, formatted nicely if you do it in Word, and you can store it with your documents, so that's an advantage of that.